everyone, it's Jackson here from MasterSongKungFu.com. Before we start our Kung Fu martial art training, let us know the most important thing of Kung Fu is Kung Fu virtue, also known as martial virtue. This is the essence and core value of Kung Fu. Learning Kung Fu is not only about to train our ability and skills to become the best, it also teaches us respect, love, and protect one another with discipline and confidence. So therefore, we never ever use our Kung Fu to attack, bully, or hurt others. We always help and support one another to improve and grow together. Learning and training Kung Fu helps us to improve and enhance our flexibility, coordination, speed, reaction, strength, and so on. By practicing and applying our Kung Fu training in everyday life, enable us to reach the ultimate balance, harmony, and peace of our mind, body, and spirit for a fit, healthy lifestyle with longevity and well-being. Okay, in Kung Fu, we don't express ourselves with words. We use our body language to express ourselves. Now let us learn the greeting and manners in Kung Fu together. So please be aware we are doing the same direction and don't get confused because it's not mirroring. Starting with your left arm first. Your left arm is hand, put your fingers together and bend our thumb. So the reason we bend our thumb is to encourage all of us have a humble heart, willing to learn at all time. Okay, next is your right arm. So your right arm is holding a fist, okay, and put in front of your heart like this. And bow to show our respect to each other from the bottom of our heart. Another meaning of this is through Kung Fu martial arts, bring people from all over the world become brothers and sisters as one together. Okay, so this is part of the Kung Fu virtue as well. Alright, we'll see you in the training soon.